Here to launch Fast Food vs. Homemade Season 2, please welcome Captain America.
Hi, I'm Captain America. Here to talk to you about one of the most valuable traits a soldier or student can have.
Clickbait?
Patience.
Oh.
Sometimes patience is the key to victory. Sometimes it leads to very little, and it seems like it's not worth it.
Do people still remember me?
And you wonder why you waited so long for something so disappointing.
I had to travel 30 hours and halfway around the world for this crap, you know.
How many more of these?
10. Chick Fil-A has come a long way since the first location opened in 1967. The chicken chain has exploded in the last couple of years as it expands across the US with some of the best fried chicken sandwiches in the country. Many people would think this guy created the boneless fried chicken sandwich, but it was Samuel Cathy in 1946. After trying various cooking methods, ingredients, and seasonings, he arrived at one, which included 2 pickle slices that his customers liked and added it to the menu. Chick-fil-A says that the secret recipe has not changed over the past 50 years and that it is locked away in a vault at their headquarters. The ever-expanding chain has a tradition that hardcore fans eagerly anticipate. The First 100 program celebrates the opening of each new Chick-fil-A location by giving the first 100 people in line free meals once per week for an entire year. Just don't head down there on a Sunday because they're all shut. Yes, because of Cathy's religious beliefs, all restaurant locations are closed for the Sabbath and holidays like Christmas and Thanksgiving. Cathy said, "I want to preserve that day. Sunday is the Lord's Day and we don't intend to change that policy." In September of 2014, Cathy died and his son Dan is now the president and chairman of the company. But before he died, he created a contract with his children, stating that the company should never go public. He thought by transferring ownership out of the family, it would jeopardize the business's overtly religious mission statement to glorify God by being a faithful steward of all that is entrusted to us and to have a positive influence on all who come in contact with Chick-fil-A. In 2012, the company was involved in a controversy over its donations to organisations that opposed gay marriage and advocated the passage of Proposition 8 in California, a constitutional amendment banning same-sex marriage. At the time, Cathy's son Dan told the Baptist Press that Chick-fil-A was unashamed of its opposition to same-sex marriage and support of traditional family values. His comments were met with widespread protests, including calls to boycott the chain. Eventually, Chick-fil-A decided to stop making political donations to groups involved with the issue, saying its intent is to leave the policy debate over same-sex marriage to the government and political arena. Today, the chicken is crossing the road and readjusting its moral and culinary compass. It wants to go from old school to almost cool. It wants to evolve from a place where gays once picketed to a place where they'll feel comfortable going to eat. It wants to broaden the brand as it expands nationally and plows into the millennial-driven urban arena. Above all, it wants to be a serious player on fast food's biggest stage.
Which is why I'm going to
get these hands.
Guys, our US trip continues. We are off to Chick Fil-A and I'm getting the Chick Fil-A. Is that okay?
Oh my god.
Do you want me to change it?
No.
Come on guys, let's see what Nicko can do with this one. There's not very many ingredients. So he's either going to get it really, really right or really, really wrong.
We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
The original Chick Fil-A, please. Just the burger by itself. $4.26. Thank you. So you don't have a restaurant? Yeah, a restaurant, like a dining room. No.
Just a little patio.
That's cool. Look how cute this is, guys. Oh, they don't wrap their burgers. It comes in like a little warming bag. No sauce. It's just pickles and chicken. Oh, I like the bag it comes in, Rob.
So here's how you make Chick-fil-A's original chicken sandwich at home. Into a large bowl, add 1 cup of dill pickle juice along with 1 cup of whole milk. Whisk until combined and then place in 1 large boneless and skinless chicken breast that I've sliced in half. You want to marinate this for at least 6 hours so the chicken gets really juicy when serving. For the breading, into a bowl add half a cup of plain flour, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of confectionery sugar. Mix the flour well and leave aside. Into another bowl, crack 1 egg and add half a cup of milk. Whisk until combined. Remove the chicken from the pickle marinade and place into the egg wash, coating all over. Now place into the flour mix and coat all over again. Repeat this process 1 more time. This will give you a really crunchy coating, just like Chick Fil-A. Now place peanut oil into a deep fryer or deep saucepan and bring to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Place the breaded chicken in the oil and fry for 8 to 10 minutes or until the coating is golden brown, and drain with a paper towel. To assemble, place 2 pickles on a toasted burger bun and lay the fried chicken over the top. Place the crown bun on top and you're all set to go and get stuck into these bad boys.
Hey! Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Welcome to Jess's winning round.
Is this gonna be a winning round?
It better be. Awesome, let's go.
Welcome, Laci.
Thanks.
Thank you for being here.
Of course.
Today, I've got Chick Fil-A for you.
I'm ready for this. I've never had
Never had
Chick-fil-A.
this before?
Yeah, first time.
Okay, first time for everything. All right.
Great.
So do you want to pop that blindfold on for me, please?
All right.
Left or right?
What am I eating? Is it a sandwich?
It's a sandwich.
Okay. So I don't know what they serve there. So I know they have chicken, right?
Yeah.
So it's like a chicken sandwich, it
Yeah,
feels
it's a
like?
chicken sandwich.
The chicken's really good, but it tastes kind of dry. But the chicken's delicious. I kind of want to like take the chicken out of there and just eat it. There's some spice in there. Really sure. It just tastes really well seasoned. Like there's something maybe kind of earthy, or I don't know. Can I grab a piece of the? Oh wait, there is something else in the sandwich, huh?
Yeah.
Wait, can I play around?
Sure.
Can I play with my food?
You can play around with your Chick-fil-A if you want.
Okay. Maybe there is. Okay. Yeah, I would say there needs to be like a sauce or something.
Okay.
The
Second.
left side. Well, this is like significantly heavier. There's more weight to it.
Interesting.
Oh, this has something on it. This does have sauce on it.
What if I told you it had no sauce on it?
Really? There's
Is that
no sauce on this?
Is it that juicy?
It's pretty juicy, but it is definitely like wetter. That's really good. I think I like this one better.
Why is that?
It's juicier. The crust on the chicken is better. It's more tender. The other one, like the piece was a little bit harder.
Laci, if you had to pick one, which one do you think is Chick-fil-A? It's tough because you've never had it before.
Yeah, I don't have like any frame of reference. This one's Chick-fil-A.
And which one would you buy?
This one.
You'd buy that one. Of course you would. You know why?
Oh
You're
my
never
god.
coming back. That's why.
Take off your blindfold, Laci. Of course you picked it. It's mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you did good. This is delicious.
And it was still saucy.
Yeah, it's
Without
really,
no sauce.
That's so weird. How does it taste like it has sauce on it? It must just be like the juiciness of it, right?
It's very juicy.
It's gotta be.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Laci can
It's
come back
delicious.
anytime.
Thank you so much.
We'll do this whole series with Laci.
Yeah.
Nope.
I'm all about it.
It'll just be
Feed
me.
me. Feed me.
11-0. And that's how you start off a competition in the US. Just chalk a win up. It's one of many. One of many,
Oh,
may I say.
We'll see. Shall I go home?
I'd be packing your ticket
Should
and
I start
back to
packing anyway?
Australia right now.
Just in case? Should I just pack?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
Have your passport handy
Okay.
and get out of here.